Okay, get ready. Stop it! You want to roll me? Ta-da! Shoes off. 1, 2, 3, go.
Adia, you should roll Dad. Roll him.
Easy card. Easy card.
Oh, did I lose the card? Can you say Oilers rule?
So,
Yeah, close enough. That's about how much Dad understands it. Oh, are you going to put it back in my pocket? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
it's not fun. Cards are not fun again.
Yeah, it won't fall again? Okay, thanks.
It's not fun. It's not fun.
Okay, thanks.
Ugh.